How to identify and
Explain
deal with cognitive
and how
dissonance.
to identify and use it to your advantage. So cognitive dissonance is a psychological phenomenon that occurs when a person holds two or more sets of beliefs or ideas or values and then experiences discomfort or tension as a result. This conflict can rise in various situations, such as when a person's actions or behaviors contradict their beliefs or when they encounter new information that challenges their existing beliefs. Let me give you an example here. People who value honesty and integrity in science may experience cognitive dissonance if they find themselves lying to protect their beliefs because too much scientific contradiction is out there. So they feel that they need to choose a team and stick to it. So that's the feeling they have. In this case, the person's actions, lying to themselves, are in conflict with their values, honesty, integrity, and science, leading to discomfort and internal tension, just normal human behavior. A fun fact is, psychopaths and narcissistic people experience less cognitive dissonance. Did you know that? Anyway, cognitive dissonance can also occur when a person's beliefs or attitudes conflict with their own behavior. For example, a person who believes that a particular medical procedure is harmful to their health may experience cognitive dissonance if they underwent that procedure and have to come up with reasons why it is not so bad. So they feel they should pick a team again. That's a good example, isn't it? This is one way that people may try to resolve cognitive dissonance by changing their beliefs or attitudes to align with their behavior. In this example that I just gave you, a person who doesn't want certain medical procedures may try to convince themselves that said procedure is not as harmful in order to reduce the discomfort caused by that conflict inside of them. That what they feel. Anyway, cognitive dissonance is a common and normal part of the human experience, and it can be powerful motivator for change. But understanding and addressing cognitive dissonance can help people to better align their actions and their values. But we need to realize that it is actually happening. Some people can be oblivious to cognitive dissonance because they prefer not to use critical thinking or cannot even realize that they are feeling it that way, or in some cases, they're just plain psychos. I thought about this a lot. I even made a poem that I want to tell you. It goes like this. Cognitive dissonance is a psychological term describing how we feel when our beliefs clash. It's a mental discomfort, a feeling of unrest, especially when we are faced with information that doesn't match. Imagine you love animals and also burgers. Burgers, it's your favorite treat, but you just found out that burgers are made out of meat. This information might make you feel incomplete because it conflicts with your belief that meat is not to eat. Cognitive dissonance is a common occurrence. It happens when our beliefs and actions don't meet. It can cause us to feel a sense of deceit, and it can be difficult to reconcile and combine. But there are ways to reduce it without going Columbine. One way is to change our beliefs to fit the facts, or we can try to change the facts to fit our beliefs. Either way, it helps to reduce the mental cracks. So next time you feel a sense of cognitive dissonance, just remember, it's a normal human experience. It's okay to feel a little bit of resistance. Just try to find a way to bring balance and coherence. Is that good? No. No. I'm not. I have to say it differently. There's a whole bunch of things. No.